he comes, headlights up so we can see him. Are you ready? Hi everybody, I'm Christopher. The guy beside me is Jake the Snake, and this is Fast Lane Classic Cars. And this is a 1977 Corvette. Can you tell? It's pretty nice. It's classic white with red interior. It's got a 350 crate motor, a little over 300 or so horsepower.
Yeah,
it's got an
300,
automatic.
somewhere around there.
Somewhere around there. It's an automatic. It's got T-tops, glass T-tops, very, very nice. It's the classic 70s Corvette, you know. It's got the polyurethane front and rear end. There's your gas cap. And it says unleaded fuel only. You'll see that in the pictures.
Yes.
How nice. I like it a lot. And look at the beautiful interior. Ooh.
Yeah. White on red, kind of the most classic color that the Corvette came in. And I didn't know this, but Chris Gersman told us just now, our general manager, that in 1953, that was the only option for colors, was white on red. So all the white on red Vettes after that, in my opinion, kind of pay homage to that first year. There's the 350 crate engine. Look at all that chrome. Sounds amazing. Runs really good. It's cold today, so we're gonna have to let it warm up, which is fine.
This is
but the hood opens backwards, of course, because Corvette. Look how awesome that is. The glass T-tops are a fantastic option. They're very well tinted, so that even on a hot day, you're not getting beat on by the sun. And you got like black around the shifter and around the gauges and stuff, which kind of breaks it up a little bit.
It's got a tilty wheel, which is a cool option for that year.
It does have a tilty wheel.
And it's got the red steering wheel. It's really nice.
I know, it looks really cool. Chrome on top of the shifter. We do have air conditioning.
Nice.
As it shows right here, and heat. We're gonna need the heat today.
Please put on the
We're not gonna need the AC. No glove box in these either. You got these like leather pouches over here.
Oh, that's right, the pouches.
I always thought was cool.
And the doors, interior doors are cool. Yeah. We'll show those on the run though.
Red door panels and stuff. I like this car a lot. I love the color combo. It's pretty. You got BF Goodrich radial TA tires.
BFGs, you can't beat BFGs,
Sporty. Sporty tire option, and I love the wheels on this too. And I'm ready to hear this thing and drive it. How about you?
Let's do it. Let's do it. Slamming it.
Oh, all right.
And we're off.
And we're off. In a 1977
Corvette.
Corvette.
Wow, you hit the high note on that one.
Yeah, that hurt kind of. We have real seatbelts too.
For real people.
For real people.
We're real people.
I don't know where the bottom of it is though.
That's the question upon question.
Question upon question. Here, hold on. Let me open my door so I can find it. Oh, there it is. Give me 1 second. Oh, hold on. Ugh. Ta-da!
He's getting it. He's getting it, folks. This is real life stuff.
Sorry, ladies and gentlemen, this is real life stuff. The little buckle part was stuck behind the seat. That's okay. I got it. Aha!
Excelsior. We've done
Excelsior.
We have done it.
I have my real seatbelt on for a real person.
These are real people.
Guess what? They're also red.
Well, why wouldn't they be?
Why wouldn't they be red?
And look at this beautiful red steering wheel with telescopic steering.
Oh my goodness, it's telescopes. Telescopes.
Telescopes are telescopes.
And it tilts. There's Cody.
And it does tilt.
Look at that. Let's see, Chris just got done putting gas in it and the gauge did move.
Great for us.
So fuel gauging is working.
We love a good fuel gauge.
You can see that the water temp hasn't started water temping yet because
it's getting there. It's moved off 100.
It's moved off 100, but it's what, 20 degrees right now.
Oh, man, I wish it were. It's terrible.
Low 20s, high teens.
I'm not happy.
Very cold today. Chris isn't happy.
Not with a cold. I hate cold.
Yeah. We also have what looks like AM and FM radio down here.
FM, no static at all. Steely Dan, please don't sue us.
And then we have AC and heater controls down here as well, which we have it on heat right now for obvious reasons.
Oh, yes.
Like I mentioned before, we don't have a glove box. You get these little leather pouches, or vinyl pouches, I guess.
It's like folders.
Like little folders in your Corvette.
I love it.
It's kooky. I think it's cool, though. And look at that. Your ashtray is hidden behind this little door. And you have a cigarette lighter, in case you want to take up smoking. But don't smoke, kids.
Don't do it.
Smoke tires, not cigarettes. And with the 350 crate engine, mid-300s horsepowers, you can probably smoke tires just fine.
I think you can.
Not that you should, not that we will, but if you buy this, you can smoke
do whatever you want.
as many tires as you want, yeah. Do what you will with your Corvette.
I don't know what your tire budget is, but increase it.
If you have a really high tire budget, nice horn, you could smoke as many tires as you want. Let's see, you got the e-brake down here and the Corvette badge.
Oh, yeah.
This doesn't have the plaque that says like the horsepower compression ratio. Not that it would matter, but we have a crate engine.
Right.
This probably, or actually, it definitely makes more power than it would have in 1977.
210.
Yeah, so this is
horse.
a much better option than what you would have gotten originally. But you still have the awesome looks. You got the white paint, the red interior, T-tops.
Non-droopy.
Non-droopy sun visors that are also, guess what color? Red. Yeah, I mean, it's a theme in here, but I do love the black console because it kind of breaks up all the red in here. Not everything's red. In the C4 Corvette, like we were talking about earlier, off camera, everything is red. If you get red interior, everything is red, and it's a little much.
You have to get a red wallet.
The black spokes on the steering wheel kind of breaks it up too.
Yep.
Looks nice. You also got a black stripe here on the door panel, chrome handles for your cranky windows and your door handles. But I'm mad at you. You just got to crank them to put them up and down.
That's the way it was.
That's the way it was back in the day.
Show your kids, they'll be amused.
Yes. But I mean, this thing's pretty good. We got good oil pressure, good voltage, it's charging. These gauges seem to be functioning.
They're gauging.
And yeah, we got all the vents for the AC, which is nice. Again, we're not going to use that today, because why would we? It's freezing cold outside.
It is chilly.
Got a dome light up here as well.
Yeah.
The T-tops only have the one latch. I think there's some years, maybe I'm thinking of the Camaro that
dome
had
light
two.
Works.
Oh, look. Look at you, turning on the dome light.
Turning on the domes.
But yeah, just the one latch for the T-top on the 77. Real easy to take off. They're not super heavy or anything. No. I had them off in the pictures. If you want to see the pictures, go to our website, www.fastlanecars.com, and you can see everything there. But for now, Chris is going to do a bean test.
Holy cow. Oh. She's getting out of her own way, ladies and gentlemen.
Just an automatic transmission. And the gear ratio in the back is probably for cruising on the highway, but
it's 3.
That's actually pretty good.
It's not bad at all.
Not bad at all.
I don't want to go too fast on this beautiful road. It's 35 miles an hour. So.
Yeah. Obviously, Corvette, no back seats. Right now, we're just harboring Chris's coat.
Yes, because it's cold.
But you do have little compartments back there. One's holding the battery, the one on the far right. And then you have 2 more compartments back there as well. And we have the red floor mats back there that are in great condition. Again, pictures of those on the website. Blinker edge is working on the dash.
Gotta love that.
Gotta love it. This thing, pretty nice. It was a comfy ride too.
Absolutely. It doesn't beat you up.
The seat's comfortable. You got nice buckets.
With the polyurethane front and rear bumpers.
Oh, polyurethane.
That? Don't you just love saying that?
I do love saying it. Nice vinyl seats. Are these leather?
I think it's beautiful leather because I think it's been redone.
It feels soft.
Very nice car.
Anyway, they're very comfortable. I love the buckets. And we're at our spot, which means flybys.
Yes, it does.
And you get to hear what this sounds like from the outside.
I can't wait with my coat on.
Yes. Put that on before you get outside.
Let us do it. Let us go. Are you ready? It actually sounds real good. There he goes, ladies and gentlemen. Here he comes, headlights up so we can see him. Oh, hi! right.
This thing drives really nice.
It does, and it sounds good too,
and
doesn't
it certainly has more power than a factory 77 Corvette would have.
Yes, it does.
Yeah, this thing, I was only like half throttle, and it squatted. And you can really feel in the C3s, if you've ever driven one, when you put it in drive, you feel the whole thing like squat down. This thing's awesome. It feels like speed.
It does.
When you're
I
driving
like it a lot.
And it's the classic color combo, white on red.
It's the best color combo
What can't you
got.
like?
That's what I think, and it sounds great.
It
really
does
is a
sound
good
really
car.
good. You ready to take it back?
Let's go.
Let's do it.